leave a link below for the software. Then you go to this link, I'll leave it also below in the description box. To create an account, you just type your username here and email address, account password, confirm password again, and verification code. This is a verification code. In case you see this error here, you need to contact your supplier and he will activate the account for you. After you registered your account, you go to login and then you put your account username and account password and verification code. I see all the sellers, they put this in instructions that you have to press on authorization code query, but I really didn't need to do that. You just need to press on authorization code renewal, which will take you to the next page. Here, when you purchase the online account, you will get a serial number for the dongle and password. This is different than the account username that you made it first place. This you will need it for one time only, but you will log in with your first account name that you made yourself. You will get a serial number from the seller, you put it here, then authorization code password, you put it here, then verification code, this is a verification code, and then immediate use, and the account will be valid for 1 year from the time you press this one. So after downloading the software, if we open it, it will update itself. Just leave it and stay with me because there is an important tip here that made me stay awake all night yesterday to fix it. After update is finished, it will open in Chinese language, and to make it in English, you just need to close this one, then you go to this tab where is the letter S, which is settings, and change the language to English, then hit OK. Don't choose any server. If you choose a server, I got a message, an error, server execution error. So don't choose any server, just choose English and save selected and OK, then restart your software. Now it will ask you for account and password. This is the one you created first place. This is the one you entered when you entered your email and password. This is the one you chose. So I will put mine. And I will press auto login and login. And as you can see, it's now active and running. So what I see, the interface here is a little bit different than the ZXW dongle. This is an online account. You can use it anywhere without the dongle in the computer. You don't need to buy a dongle anymore. Unfortunately, the new release software will not work with the older dongles, so you have to buy the new account to get the benefits of the new features in the software. I will leave a link below in the description if you want to buy the online account. So let's go to iPhone. Same menu exactly. This new layout is available for both the dongle and online account, but there is not too much information in this layout, which has the two sides of the board together. Like if I will go to the older one, you can see I can get to the layers here, which is not available on that section, which is AP. The newer feature in ZXW version 3 account, it's a really massive update. If I press here, you can see this trace and where it goes. That's normal. But what you can see also, if I press to the layers, if I want to see the layers, I can see how this point is connected to the CPU. Like if I lost this component, if I lost this one, and I want to scratch the board to get this via. Now I can get it, and I can know in which layer this via. Like if I will disable layer 8, it's still there. Layer 7, it's still there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it's in layer 2. I can hide layer 1. I can hide surface lines, and I can see. No, I need surface net lines. It's in layer 2. Let's say I want to see this line, what it's for. I can press the line and it will highlight the via for that line. Of course, the board of Intel doesn't have much information, so let's go to the Qualcomm. And let's see, we lost any point under this chip, which this one. So the second feature, it will highlight the IC and will highlight all other ICs which is connected with this line, and you can get it from here. So this IC, this line is connected between the U3301, which is this speaker amplifier, and the resistor R2903. Okay, if I want to know how this one is connected to the resistor, I can start by activating the layers. Layer 1, I can see it's here, and it's disappeared. So let's continue. Layer 2, and you can see it comes back from layer 2. That means this via